You don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you're looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. 1. Upwork. How it works. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where businesses and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Businesses hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing, web design, running SEO campaigns, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Highlights. Upwork takes a commission from 5% to 20%, but the more money you make, the less the commission is. 2. Fiverr. How it works. This is also a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation? You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. Highlights. You can make good money from the site, asserts Dan Bociccio, a web designer and digital strategist in Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Bocane Designs. He says that his firm makes $3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig descriptions are well written and communicate the value of the services I'm offering. When someone reaches out to me, I make sure to reply as quickly as I can and follow up with to inquiry by asking good questions. A quick, but carefully written reply will increase the odds of them hiring you drastically, Bociccio says. 3. Etsy. How it works. If you're artistic and are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets, Etsy is the place to sell your products. Highlights. It's easy to navigate the site and set up a shop. 4. TaskRabbit. How it works. Are you willing to get your hands dirty? People come to this site to find those willing to do various tasks, such as putting together a bookcase, cleaning a garage, or running an errand. Do as many tasks as you want, and this could become quite the part-time, or full-time, job. Highlights. You can apply for tasks, but you can also put up a profile, explaining what tasks you're available for and skilled at, and people may end up seeking you out for work. 5. Wonder. How it works. People come to this site when they need research done. Wonder doesn't hire just anyone, but you can apply. The process takes about 5 minutes, according to the website. And if Wonder thinks you have the skills to do research, you'll get access to its dashboard. You can then choose to answer a question, perhaps coming from a business executive or an author writing a book. Highlights. Researchers report making, on average, $8 to $16 for each detailed answer, and job sites suggest researchers can make, on average, about $20 an hour. In short, Wonder offers an ideal gig for those who really enjoy the process of doing research, as opposed to those who just want to make fast money.